What up guys? So in this video I want to speak about dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay.com. This is something that I was doing like for a few months, but not that serious. And right now with all the changes, okay. And before we start, again, please, if you are interested about eBay dropshipping, if it is eBay.com, eBay UK, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and if you want a personal help from me or a good knowledgeable members, please come in and join to our free Telegram group. There I answer your questions, and other member really helpful and active members that can help you out. So come in and join to the free Telegram group. And I have also a Facebook group, and again, if you will not answer the questions before when you sending the request to join to the Facebook group, I will not approve your request. Okay, it's that easy, because I see a lot of people want to go ahead and join my Facebook group, but they can't invest the 2.5 seconds to just answer the questions that I ask. So about dropshipping on from AliExpress to eBay.com. Basically, as I spoke in my previous videos, that I'm trying to build as much an unlinked accounts as possible, because all of the changes that were made in the last year, let's say something like that, from I guess it's around from April 2018, that the impression declined, the sales declined, now all the flagging, all this shit that we really need to handle every single day. And it is much harder to dropship now these days, because when I started it was much easier. But still, first of all, it's better because the competition, the people that are lazy will drop off. So it's good for us, for the serious people that really want to make a business and really make money. So it is better for us. And because of the changes, basically I will tell you my plan. You can do whatever you want, what you decide, but my plan right now, I'm building right now as much accounts as possible. Okay, again, you need to understand, and people ask me, how do you scale this fast? How do you manage so many stores? How do you do that? I outsource stuff. Okay, I'm not doing things on my own. I cannot do that. And believe me that a strong team, okay, like I don't have that much people. I have maybe four people in my team, but those people are really well trained, and we're doing everything possible, and and this is the only way I can really scale up fast and grow my accounts as fast as possible. For example, if you saw my previous videos, and you know that I have a new manual store in eBay UK. I also shared the post in Facebook. I'm not doing anything. I'm not ordering the orders. I'm not listing items. I'm not finding the items to list. When I started, yes, I did that. I saw exactly what works, and I outsource it. And this is exactly what I'm doing right now with AliExpress. I started on my way and started to find hot selling items, and really a good thing that I'm really glad on dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay.com. It is that the results are quite fast and the profits are much higher. I will do like income report from AliExpress, I think maybe next week, something like that. We almost hit $1,000 in sales, like in a week, something like that, and that it is already really great. So basically, this is my plan. Okay, I'm doing what I know. I'm using my knowledge. I'm starting everything, handling like the PayPal, the unlinked account, all those stuff. That this is the hardest part to do, and this is the brain of the business needs to do that. Doing that, building up the account, seeing what works, and then outsource it and give it like I'm giving it the first push, to scale it as fast as possible, and then I'm maintaining it with outsourcing it. So basically, I started dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay.com, seeing really great results so far. But the problem with AliExpress to eBay.com, that you need to wait, because the shipping time is really long. Okay, between a month to 2 months. So like things can happen and shit can happen in after like 2 months. Okay, maybe it will, maybe it won't, I don't know. Still, this is why I'm not going to show yet like tutorials and more explanation until I will not see that it actually works and everything's okay. But I'm still I'm already making money with this account. That this is also like a flagged account, but I'm still making money with this account and really fast. And we only have like 103 active listings, and this account already made maybe 200-300 bucks, something like that, really fast. And we will keep growing it and scaling it, and then we will wait for the problems to see what problems we have. Maybe if it is shipping times, maybe it is quality of products, maybe I don't know, all the problems. This is what I want to do, is to go ahead, start selling, give it a month or two to start seeing all the shit coming to me, all the bad feedback, I don't know, all the problems, and then I will know exactly what to fix, everything, and then I will scale it even further. And I want also to run this account. For me, it's enough for me only to do like 1,000 to up to 2,000 US dollars in net profit per month in this account, and outsource it, and that's it. And this is right now my plan, to build as much unlinked account as possible, because when I started, my focus was like to take one account and to make like 10,000 grand in one account. Okay, and the problem with it, that when you start scaling to the point that you need to sell so much every single month, so many transactions, so many sales, so many like dealing with customer service, so always things went wrong. Okay, when I try to do that with one single account. So for me right now, what I'm doing, because I saw that, let's say my sweet spot is to make 1,000 pounds or US dollars in net profit every single month for one account, and outsource it. Okay, and that's it, and not having to that this account will do for me a headache. Okay, and this is what I'm doing right now, building as much as possible accounts to build like an empire on eBay. But I want it to be unlinked, because I don't want that if something happens to one of my accounts, that it will risk all of my accounts. Okay, this was my biggest mistake. If you saw the video, this was my previous video, 2 videos I think ago. So I did that about my biggest mistake, and I give you that information, and I tell you that because I don't want you to do the same mistake that I did, and to risk your income. Okay, because if you're here to make it full-time income and not just like part-time or something like that, you need to protect it. And always diversify and grow as much income streams as possible. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. I will keep you updated about my AliExpress journey. Keep me posted, like give me some comments in the comment section if you are interested about it, because most of my channel is about the UK. I really love the UK, and I will always dropship in the UK, and my main focus will be in the UK. But still, if I can outsource an account from AliExpress or whatever platform it is, and outsource it and make extra 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 US dollars per month, why not? Okay, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the section below if you want to see more information about AliExpress and my income report for AliExpress, like in a few days or something like that. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.